system dot out dot within the double quotes. So double quotes లో ఏం రాసినా కూడా మనకి as it is output అనేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. So method 1 from the class called as test. Method 1 from class called as test. Now I would like to compile and execute this class. Now I would like to compile and execute this class from the command line format. So go to the command line format. So CLS clear the screen. Go to the command called as java space test.java and java space test. So what I have done, I have compiled and executed but no output or. So what is the problem? I'll write one system.out.println in main method also. Let us check in main method. I would like to write something message. So hello cut. Okay, so go to the command prompt again. Java space test.java and java space test. So main method is executed or method 1 is executed? So by default main method will execute automatically. So automatically main method will get executed, but not all the methods. If I want to execute our own method, from the main method you should call the method. So what is the method name? Method. So method 1 you should call. To call the method, you need to use the method name, that is method 1 parenthesis and put the semicolon. So this is called as method call. Do you know the difference between method calling and method declaration or definition? As part of the definition, we have the open the method and close the method. But as part of the method call, we only parenthesis and semicolon. This is what we call method calling. What is this? Method. What is this? Method. Open the method and this is called as method declaration or calling. Main method declaration or not. But what is this? Method. What method? Method. What is this? Method calling or declaration? Method calling or declaration? Everybody. Method calling or declaration? Method
calling.
Method
Declaration.
Method calling.